Hey, just real quick before we start the video, I am putting a sale on the Halloween sketchbooks that I have. This is a series of monster art and Halloween style art that I did. It's 24 pages of pure art that I've posted nowhere. It's really fun, and right now that is on sale on this channel only, okay? So the discount code when you type in is Halloween, and that's going to give you 25% off. I only have about, I think I have about a few of these left, so once these are gone, that's kind of it. So thank you so much. I appreciate all the support from everybody. Check it out. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Bride of Frankenstein, something that was really requested. I love those movies, so let's get started, okay? This is step-by-step for beginners. Stay all the way to the very end. The lesson's only about, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes. So stay to the very end, and in 8 to 10 minutes, you'll have a brand new skill. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're tuned in for next year. And don't forget to check out all the stuff that will make you a better artist in the description. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and draw her eye. Far side eye, top left. Going over here, pulling down for the bottom part of the eye. Going over here, up. Same thing, so it's this side eye. She's turning a little bit to the left over here. And closing it off. It has kind of that peanut shape, right? Both of them angled a little, like if you look at both, they're angled a little downward. Going over here, and I'm gonna go from the right here down to the nose. It's gonna be over here. It's just kind of like this L shape. Line over here for the nostril. Curve over here for the side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up here and find the the eyebrow. It's just going to be mostly a line. Go over here, do the exact same thing. Maybe like a little bit more here. Going to find the left side of her face. I'm going to go over here on this side. Curve a line like so. Out over here. Pull down. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve on the top of the head. So for the forehead. Gonna go below here and I'm gonna find her lips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the split of the lip first. Pull down here, pull back. So that's like the parting part of the lips. It's just kind of like this little bumpy bridge. Up over here. Down, up, curve. So the top lip. Below, we're going to go the lower part. So she has like this, feminine type. Pulling over here for the bottom of the chin. Gonna pull back to the chin and pull up. Curve down. Curve up. Line, line, line. Kind of here for kind of where her hair is, basically is the hairline. Pulling over here, we're gonna go down to that hairline, so I'm just gonna kind of pull these, like, little thin lines right there, nothing too crazy. Gonna go over here as well, the center of her hair. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna find her ear over here. Just kind of that ear shape. It's like almost like a peanut shape. Line over here, and pulling a little shape there. Alright, gonna go to this side, and I'm gonna find that big old kind of Marge Simpson style hair going on. It's gonna burst outward and go in. It's gonna kind of burst out. So I'm gonna follow like a curve over here in my mind, and it's gonna be flat, but it's gonna have that Marge Simpson-y like hair thing going on. Hold on, right here I'm gonna pull the neck down, and then I'm gonna find it in the back here. And I'm gonna find the end of it over here. It's almost like a square block. It can also kind of go to a point. Kind of just depends what interpretation you want to go to. So let's go over here, and we are going to draw that stripe of hair here. Here. We're gonna have that stripe right there, which is really, really big and significant. That's like the most. It's amazing how cool that visual is, even though it's been so long. Pulling down here for the front of the neck. It's more under her chin. Pulling down here, and her outfit is a bit of like a square thing, and it's like that's kind of the way her outfit looks. Pulling down over here. Like a sloping line for off her shoulders. Okay. Let's go into some smaller details. Let's find her her eyes right there. Pupil and iris. And I'm going to throw a line over here and fill that in. Line over here and fill it in. Going over here, making that top eyelash thicker on both sides. Throwing a little line over here to make that eyelash more eyelashy, I guess. Gonna make this side a little bit bigger and pull a little bit out of that as well. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull a line in to show kind of that top of that eyelid just a bit. And I'm gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna pull a line up to find your nose. And I'm going to pull a very thin line over here, maybe like over here, very, very thin, so that, you know, there's like the bridge of the nose shows. A line over here, line over here, line down, and one line here for the neck. Anyways, that is it for the lesson. You can actually fill in the hair if you want as well. I'm not going to do it in this lesson, but I really appreciate you sticking around this long. You are amazing. If you got any value at all from this video, please share it with a friend that you think might enjoy it. I want to bring in the Halloween season really strong. Also, don't forget the announcement that I made at the very beginning of the video. Check out those books. I only have a few of those left, and I'm just kind of selling the rest off, and I'm probably going to create a new book at some point. But yeah. Those are a really cool collection of sketches. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and stay spooky.